Hi, everyone. I'm Professor Hall. Welcome back. We are in week 3 of English 123. You have a lot this week, so please use your time wisely. First, you have the 3-2 activity to evaluate sources and a 3-7 activity called What's My Style? And those are in your Mind Edge textbook. They are graded, so please, again, make sure that you complete them and don't forget. Your 3-4 assignment, you are going to be evaluating your sources. Please choose 3 sources in total, 2 to support your side of the argument and 1 to take the opposing viewpoint. One of the problems that I've seen people have in the past with this is that they only do one source and they forget to do the other 2. Another problem is that people don't have an opposing viewpoint, so please make sure that not all 3 are on your side. One should at least have a piece of it should at least be from the other side or showing what the other side of the argument is. You're going to use the crapo or the crap test to explain why your source is credible. And again, making sure that you summarize each one fully and then explain how it passed or hopefully passed that test, which is part of the learning materials for this week. Then you also have 3-6, which is your first project. Taking the work from the past few weeks and adding it all together to create a writing plan. You'll use this plan to do your essay later, which is project 2 and kind of the main project for this course. I recommend numbering your answers for this. Again, you can write it as kind of a draft essay, but it can be difficult to hit all of those rubric points. So, identify an issue in your field, describe the argument you plan to write about in your essay later. 2, identify potential challenges. 3, establish a goal for this essay. What do you want people to do, think, or believe? Next, determining 3 key points. You should have some of those from the sources that you're talking about in the other assignment for this week. And then you are going to describe 2 of the sources that support your points and 1 source that argues the other side. This is how the course is structured. You're basically taking some of the work from the other assignment and putting it into this assignment. So just kind of be aware of that. I always recommend that people do the 3-4 assignment first and then do the project 1. Explain how you're going to integrate your evidence, which you kind of talked about last week, but you should have a better understanding of, and then how the feedback on modules 1 and 2 influenced any changes you made. So your first project, project 1, is going to be about 3 pages long. You can, as I said, reuse some of the work you did in modules 1 and 2 as long as you revise and talk about the feedback that I gave you in those modules. You're also probably going to incorporate some of that stuff from the other project for this week, or the other writing assignment, I should say. Sometimes students change their mind about what they want to argue, what they think their thesis should be. At this point, I don't mind that because your argument kind of forms as you do research and as you find out more about your topic. That's part of your feedback and your reflection that you'll be doing later. You cannot, however, change topics completely. You can't go from one topic to another topic at this point because of those other pieces and how they need to be incorporated. So that's it for this week. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks.